Hello students, let us start today's class trigonometric functions and their integration. Now see the question, integration of cos cube x plus sine cube x upon cos x plus sine x. You have to integrate this one. So you want to integrate this one, see the denominator, that is it's expressed in sine x plus cos x. So you get an idea, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So how can I express this numerator? Using this formula, I can write a places cos x and b plus sin x. If we substitute here, sin x plus cos x into cos square x plus sin square x minus cos x sin x upon sin x cos x dx. See, these two will be cancelled, same. Now here sin square x plus cos square x, this value is how much? 1 integration 1 dx. And you know sin x cos x formula is what? Sin 2x by 2. So this sin x cos x will become sin 2x by 2 integration dx. So integration is separated for this term and this term. So integration of 1 is x and minus 1 by 2. Cosine 2x differentiation is cos 2x by 2 plus c. So you can write as x minus cos 2x by 4 plus c. And these formulas already you know. Sec square x dx is tan x, and integration of sec square x ax plus b dx is, you know, sec square x is tan x, so tan ax plus b, and coefficient of x will be divided a plus c. So these formulas you already know. Let us see some questions. Integration of dx upon 1 plus cos x. Whenever you have 1 plus any trigonometry function, 1 plus something, you want to find the answer for this. What you do here, you have to rationalize. What is 1 plus cos x rationalization factor? That is 1 minus cos x. That should be multiplied numerator denominator. Now if I multiply numerator, that is 1 into 1 minus cos x is 1 minus cos x. Down, if you multiply 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x, that is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that I get 1 minus cos square x. Okay, now what I got here, 1 minus cos x upon 1 minus cos square x, can I write as sin square x, correct? Now this type model I have done already in the class. So what you can do here, this is equal to integration, separate this one, 1 by sin square x dx, minus separate this part, cos x by sin square x dx. So you know 1 by sin square x we can write as cosec square x dx. Okay, minus integration of cos x by sin x. This is sin square x, I can write cos x by sin x, that is cot x, and sin 1 by sin x we can write as cosec x. So integration of cot x into cosec x is cosec x. So you have cosec square x integration is what? Minus cot x. Integration of this is minus cot x. Integration of this is cosec x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, let us go for another question. Now you have to find integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x upon cos square x dx. Now you have to find integration of this. Now how to get idea? See here, you need to get an idea here. Cos 2x, how can I express? That is, I know 1 minus 2 sin square x. So I can cancel these both. That is the idea. So here this cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x. So this plus 2 sin square x minus 2 sin square x cancel. What is remain here? 1 by cos square x. You got here integration of 1 by cos square x dx. So this 1 by cos square x, I can write sec square x. Integration of sec square x dx is tan x plus 3. That's the answer. Let us see another question. These are all basic questions of trigonometry to get ideas. See here, these all you will get when you do practice. Practice only makes these ideas to get. Integration of sin 2x is sin 2x. Already I explained you. Cos square x, whenever you have cos square x, you have to use 1 plus cos 2x by 2. This is the formula into dx. So you get 1 by 2 out. Sin 2x into 1 plus cos 2x into dx. Now sin 2x you multiplied inside, 1 by 2 sin 2x dx plus 1 by 2 cos 2x, sin 2x into cos 2x dx. So what I multiplied? I multiplied here, I multiplied here. So 1 by 2. What is the sin 2x integration? Cos 2x minus cos 2x. And what is the coefficient of x here? 2. So divide by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is the formula already I explained you. Sin x into cos x is sin 2x by 2. So sin 2x into cos 2x is sin 4x by 2. So what I get here, I got the answer. This is minus cos 2x by 4 minus 2 2 is 4, 1 by 4. You know sin 4x, I can integrate that one. I get minus cos 4x by and coefficient of x 4 divides plus c. So what I got here, minus cos 2x by 4 plus minus into minus plus cos 4x by 16 plus c is the answer. Let us see another question. Integration of cos cube x dx. These are the general all important board level questions. Okay, so cos 3x can be, what is the formula of cos 3x? Cos 3x formula is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So I need cos cube x as a subject. So what I can write here, cos 3x plus 3 cos x is equal to 4 cos cube x. So cos cube x I can write as what? Cos 3x plus 3 sin x divided by 4. Now I separate the here. Now I separate integration of cos 3x by 4 dx plus 3 by 4 cos x dx plus c. So plus c not here, integration. Now here 1 by 4 will come out. What is the cos 3x differentiation? Sin 3x, and coefficient will divide. Plus 3 by 4 cos x integration is sin x plus c. That's it, over. Now let us go for another question. Integration of cot square x dx. Cot square we don't have formula. So cot square I can write as cosec square x minus 1 dx. So if I separate this one, integration of cosec square dx minus integration of 1 dx. Cosec square x integration is minus cot x, and minus integration of 1 is x plus c. Now let us go for another question. Integration of sec square x into cosec square x dx. How to solve this one? See, this is important one. Make it start for this. Integration of sec square x I can write 1 by cos square x into integration of cosec square I can write 1 by sin square x dx. So here I get as 1 upon, I got here integration of 1 upon sin square x into cos square x dx. So this type problem I discussed in the previous one IIT question. So wherever you get here 1, this should be converted into sin square x plus cos square x. 1 should write as sin square x plus cos square x upon cos square x sin square x dx. Now separate this one. So sin square x by this one cos square x sin square x dx, plus you separate this one, addition plus separate it, cos square x upon cos square x sin square x. So sin square x sin square x cancel. Integration of 1 by cos square x is sec square x dx, and cos square x cancel. 1 by sin square x is cosec square x dx. So integration of sec square x dx is minus cot x. Integration of cosec square x is tan x plus c. This is the answer, and this is important one. Okay, now let us discuss another question. Integration of, yeah, I have done the same thing here. I have done this one, but here if you not understand, you can see here sec square x cosec square x, same thing here. I have repeated these points. I just separated and I have done this. Okay, that is over. Now let us go for another question. Integration of a sin cube x plus b cos cube x upon sin square x cos square x dx. So idea is what? Into you have, so you can separate this. So a sin cube x upon sin square x cos square x dx plus, and b, separate this one, b cos cube x upon sin square x cos square x dx. Okay, let us see now what happened here. In sin square x, this is cancelled, 1 sin x will left on the top. So a sin x upon cos square x dx. Here cos square x cos cube x cancel, left cos x upon sin square x dx. So what I get here, I get as a, now just see here, this is can be written as a integration sin x by cos x. This I can write as sin x by cos x, that is tan x, and 1 by cos x will be left, that is sec x dx, plus b into this, you can see cos x by sin x, that is cot x, 1 by sin x will be cosec x dx. So just what you have got it here. So a is equal to sec x tan x dx plus b into cot x sec x dx. So integration of a into this sec x tan x integration is sec x, cot x cosec x integration is minus cosec x. So a sec x minus b cosec x plus c is the answer. Hope you are getting all. If you are not getting anything, please send me. I will repeat again. So integration of cosec x plus tan square x plus sin square x divided by sin x dx. You have to find integration of this. Now you separate this one. I get as cosec x upon sin x dx plus tan square x upon sin x dx and sin square x upon sin x dx. You know here, this is 1 by sin x is nothing but cosec x. So cosec x into cosec x. See, 1 by sin x, if I send up cosec x into cosec x, cosec square x. And here tan square x you have. Tan square x can I write sin square x upon cos square x into sin x. And here it will be cancelled, 1 sin x is left here. So here integration of cosec square x is minus cot x plus integration of this I can write as one sign will be cancelled. Okay, then I get sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x, and 1 by cos x can be written as sec x, and minus integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. So you got here minus cot x, and integration of tan x sec x is sec x, and minus sec x plus c. This is done. Okay, let us see another question. Integration of dx upon 1 minus sin 3x dx. So I told you in the beginning, 1 minus any trigonometry, 1 plus sin x, 1 minus cos x, rationalize. Whenever you find 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x, rationalize. Rationalize this one. On the top, 1 plus sin 3x upon 1 minus sin x, sin 3x into 1 plus sin 3x. So what I get here on the top, integration of 1 plus sin 3x upon 1 minus a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square, 1 minus sin square 3x. So 1 plus sin x sin 3x upon, this is can be written as cos square 3x dx. So now I separate this one. 1 upon cos square 3x is sec square x, integration of sec square x dx, plus now you separate this one, sin 3x upon cos 3x into cos 3x. So here is integration of sec square x is tan x. So tan 3x, and coefficient of x will be divided. Coefficient of x is here 3. So 3 is divided. Okay, plus this is integration of tan x sec x is sec x. So I can write as sec x, and and coefficient of x will be divided by 3 plus c. So integration of tan x, so you got this answer. Okay, understood. Thank you. Now substitution method we will start in next video.